Here's the Elliott wave forecast for May 23rd, 2011. On the NASDAQ 10-day chart, the best case scenario is that we complete a C wave down from 2870 to 2760, and we got wave 1 off of 2760 to 2830. We need to hold at least 2785 to the downside, and then rally back over 2828 to form an upper 3. Worst case scenario is that the drop down to 2760 was wave 1, and we saw wave 2, and we see a downward 3. So Nasdaq this week must hold 2760. If we can't hold 2760, it will set up a downward CR3 or worse. For S&P, best case scenario is that we complete a C wave down in a zigzag, and then the rally off of 1317 was wave 1, and this is wave 2. S&P will need to hold at least 1328 and rally back over 1347 to set up an upper 3. If we can't hold 1327 and break through 1317, it will set up a downward CR3. I didn't really like the close last Friday because we attempted a third wave and then we just faded like crazy, and it was pathetic. And I actually made money on TNA, but I could have made a lot more. I made about 2 points in TNA, but could have made about 3 or 4. But anyway, S&P needs to hold 1317 to the downside. For the Dow, best case scenario is that this is a C wave of a zigzag. This is wave 1 and wave 2. You would need to hold at least 12,460 and then ride back over 12,630 to set up a number 3. If we can't hold 12,470 and breaks through 12,380, it'll set up a downward CR3. So we're at a crossroads right now. You can either drop really hard or rise really fast. We're at that point where the sideways formation can't stay this sideways for that long. And in the breakout that could happen this week, hopefully to the upside, is a strong one. It'll probably be a pretty strong one. But again, Friday was a pretty bad close, and futures are down about 3 or 4 in S&P right now. So um, again, Dow needs to hold 12,380. S&P needs to hold 1317, and Nasdaq needs to hold 2760. That's a wrap.